Hey Stitches, welcome back to the channel where I crochet whatever I want. I'm Z, and in today's video we're going to be continuing with the Pixel Pillow series where I create my favorite characters from Spy X Family. If you missed the last video, I created Anya. I turned her into a pixel pillow. It was a lot of fun, and I also realized that I can't crochet 4 members of a family in 24 hours. Today I'm going to start working on Bond Forger, the lovable, fluffy dog of the family. He has precognitive powers, and he uses those powers to protect the family, especially Anya, as she can get herself into some crazy situations. But that can be said for all of the Forger family members. The yarn I'll be using in today's video is Yarn Bee's Soft Secret. Again, I already had these in my yarn stash, so I am working on kind of weaning that down because every box behind me is full of yarn. There's a closet over here that's full of yarn. There's a table right here full of yarn. And then my sister's garage is also full of yarn. Not full of yarn, but like I've got like 6 bins, Sterilite bins, the big ones, full of yarn. Anyway, supplies. So I have, again, Yarn Bee Secret Soft and the color white because Bond is mostly white. I have 3 skeins of this. I have Fog, the color Fog, to highlight some of his fur and add some dimension. Black for his eyes and bow tie. And of course, Smoke, the main color of my pillow, which will be the border of Bond's face and also the color of the backside of our pillow. For the classics, I have my 5.5 millimeter crochet hook eye size. I have my scissors. I've also got my yarn darners. And of course, a pen, a project tracker, or some place to place my notes because it's important to write as you go. And then I will also have my row counter that I wear on my finger. This is just to help me go through this a little bit faster so I don't have to manually keep counting where I am. I'll have something that'll keep track of it for me. So those were my supplies. It's time to get to work. I'm back, guys, for day 3, and yesterday was kind of a bust, not gonna lie. It was I think I did 1 row. I felt horrible yesterday. I feel about the same today, but I want this to be my future. So we're going to push through. We're going to grin and bear it. Anywho, I worked all of 12 minutes on this project yesterday. So that's how I was feeling. And so not much has changed. We still only have Bond's bow tie completed. But isn't that so freaking cute? Like, look at that. It's giving Bond. Good morning. So I'm clearly feeling blue today. Check out the look. She's giving, she's giving. I'm in my hashtag yarn life shirt today. I've had my cup of tea. Delicious. I love jasmine green tea. And then I'm still working on Bond's last row for his eye, and then I'll start his ears. And that's where we're at this morning. Studio, and I have not only finished Mr. Bond as I showed you last time. Yay, isn't he so cute? I have also finished the back of the pillow. Now, I did say I was going to make this all in the color smoke, but I changed my mind because it was way too easy to make the back side of him. You know what I mean? So it'll look like front of Bond, right? And then back side of Bond. But anyway, now all I've got to do is weave in the ends. All done. I'm going to attach these things together and then I'll work on the stuffing it. So I'm going to attach the panels right now. I'll see you guys when that's finished. I'm back and I have a little bit of a costume change here because I went out to run some errands because as much as I would like to, I can't stay home and crochet all day. Sad. But anyway, I did manage to finish while I was out. I stitched up our Mr. Bond here. He is all ready for stuffing time. Okay, stitches, so I finished the last stitch of Bond. He is all stuffed and ready to say hi. There he is. Whoop, whoop. Bond. He's so cute. He's adorable. Oh my goodness, look at him. Ah, I finished him just like I said I was gonna do. Just give him a big hug and a squeeze. He's so adorable. I'm so happy that I finished him. So he's got the fur detail on him. He's got his bow tie, his signature bow tie that makes him a spy Bond. And he's got his little ears. I am just over the moon with his ears. I think that might be my favorite part of the pillow besides the bow tie. So all together now we have Anya and Bond together. They're so happy. They're so happy together. They're best friends. Although, remember that time when they had to fight and they didn't like each other for a little bit? Where Anya was mad at Bond and he was just looking out for her. But yeah, there you go. Together. Forever. We will be best friends. So anyway, all done with this one, on to the next. I think I'm gonna work on your next, and Lloyd will be last. But I hope you enjoyed the next installment of the series where we made Bond Forger. And please give me a like. Guess how much time it took me to make Bond in the comments, and I will let you know if you're right in the next video. How long did it take me to crochet Bond Forger? So anyway, I'm out.